we have another one. Just got this in. Just woke up a little bit ago. Couldn't wait to open it, so bust out the camera, and let's get into it. So if you guys haven't seen my other videos, what I like to do is I like to get add-ons from Amazon that range from $5 to $7, maybe $8 if they're expensive add-ons, to complete my collections. And then, since I work a lot and I can't, be out on the hunt for chases and stuff, like when certain things come right out, what I like to do, because it's completely fair, is order from Amazon. Say, like, for instance, what's in this box is they just restocked on Woody the Woodpeckers. And a chase Woody the Woodpecker in most of the comic shops and stuff around here is about $35 for the chase. They just restocked, $10.99 a pop. With my Prime, I get free shipping, so, that's for two of them, that's $22. They're $35 a chase. I bought two of them for $22 to double my chances of probably getting a chase. So we'll see what happens in this box today. And then I got a couple other ones. Like for instance, my heifer. You can possibly get a chase, and I didn't. I added him on. He was $5. The box is really messed up. So I told them if they're shipping me out a new one, I ship this one back. Everything's all good. But the new one that they're shipping me out now could possibly be a chase. So I'm excited about that. Alright, so there is that jean? Yeah. So I bought some early Christmas presents. It's a pair of black jeans. Oh man. Alright, I just showed it to you. So I see the first Woody, and he is not the chase. I was like, the box is damaged, but there's something hanging out of it. Oh wow. Wow, Amazon. Okay, I'll take that. So there's Woody. Oh, I have a whole bunch of my other stuff in here. That's why. Like airbrush needles. There's a, one for all, Maltal paint marker. I'm like, what is all this stuff? So they shipped it all in the same box like that. I mean, the pants gave it cushioning. It was wrapped around it, but... Alright, I know you guys have seen this box. Boom. Calm down, Alexa. Oh, it's like... Oh, no. Alright, I gotta tell him. Oh, this box is damaged. So that's the one. Going back. I'll tell him. Oops. Wow, it's a little disappointing, but I mean, that's what you get when you order from Amazon. I took the chance and spent the $20 and didn't get a chase. Now I have to take the chance of letting me see if they'll let me return one, because I had bought it by accident. Okay, and then we have Stanley to almost complete my It set. Because I think Stanley was $5, which he was a little bit more. I think Richie was $7. Richie was baseball bat. He's gonna mix for that. So that's 4, but technically Woody was just bought 2 of them. And then we got this thing, which at work yesterday I picked one of these and I thought it was mine, and the box was in mint condition. So like as I'm picking items, I'm like building a little like, I don't know, like a nest of like sweaters and socks and everything that I was getting soft in like the bin before I sent it down this conveyor. And I go check my orders and it says that it was already shipped out, and I was like, that wasn't my item. But whoever got it, you know, they got it. So they like, it's all bubble wrapped up, and this bubble wrap is sticky. Oh no, and the box is damaged on it. Are you freaking kidding me, Amazon? After all I went through yesterday making sure that person's was fine. No, mine. You see that? You see the crease? Like, and he was on Amazon for a while for like $9.99, and all other platforms had them for so much more. And then when I just went to go order him yesterday, he was up to like, I think 12, which is like the normal price of a pop. But oh, to have the box come damaged like that. It's not too bad. Oh, so, oh man, I just need that mayor. The mayor was my favorite character. I mean, besides, you know, from Jack, and I loved Zero, but then it was the mayor. He cracked me up. He would switch his faces back and forth. Yep. Great movie, Tim Burton, Nightmare Before Christmas. I'm trying to complete the entire set of this, even though it's pretty huge. But this is one of the big ones that I will complete. Even if I have to, you know, win the lottery and buy that mayor. Well, that's it. Only got 5 pops. Let's see if we can split this. I really wanted that one with the mallet. I've been wanting it since you could pre-order it a month before. Alright guys, this is what we got in today. Nothing, you know, nothing too special. Just a little bit from Amazon, a couple add-ons. So what I probably paid is, like I said, I think it was, I see, 12, 22, 34. Okay, guys, so I probably paid around, I want to say around $43 to $45, if my math isn't wrong. And got 5 pops. Not bad. Less than $10 a pop. Alright guys, well, that's it. So, you know, if you like the videos, subscribe to my channel down below. We'll have some more coming in the future. Hopefully I'll have some bigger boxes coming. Right now, I mean, it's, you know, it's a week before Thanksgiving. Holidays are coming. Spending money on food and everything, having it at my house this year. Then we got Christmas presents for everyone, so might not be spending a ton of money, maybe until after New Year's, but we'll still have little boxes and stuff like this, you know, some good stuff from Amazon that could possibly be a chase, and, you know, this time, it sadly wasn't. Well, see you guys next time. Peace.